In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw curved lines in Excalidraw. First, open your browser and head over to excalidraw.com. When the page loads, you'll see a clean, blank canvas ready for you to work on, unless you're opening an existing drawing. This minimalist setup is perfect for quickly sketching ideas without distractions. To begin, look at the toolbar on the left and select the Line tool. The icon looks like a simple diagonal line. With that selected, move your cursor onto the canvas and click and drag to draw a straight line. Release the mouse when you're happy with the length and direction. Don't worry about getting it perfect yet. We'll shape it into a curve in the next moments. With the line still selected, you'll notice a small toolbar that appears and some handles on the line itself. Click the option to edit the line so you can adjust its shape. You'll now see a special handle in the middle of the line. This is the key to creating your curve. Place your cursor on that middle handle and drag it away from the line. As you pull it outward, the straight line transforms into an arc. The farther you drag, the more pronounced the curve becomes. If you drag past the line to the opposite side, the arc flips, allowing you to create a curve in the other direction. Take a moment to watch how the curve updates in real time as you move the handle. This visual feedback makes it easy to dial in the exact shape you want. If you need to refine things further, you can adjust the endpoints of the line by dragging them, which changes both the length and the angle while preserving your curve. Small, deliberate movements tend to produce smoother results. Zooming in can also help with precision while you fine-tune the arc. And if something doesn't look right, use undo to step back and try again. Once your curve looks the way you want, click away from the line to finish editing. You can still reselect it at any time to tweak the middle handle or reposition the endpoints. If you're planning to integrate the curve into a larger sketch, consider keeping consistent stroke width and color so everything feels cohesive as you build out your diagram. That's all there is to it. Open Excalidraw, choose the Line tool, draw your straight line, enter edit mode, and drag the middle handle to bend it into a smooth, controlled curve. Practice a few times and you'll be creating clean, elegant curves in seconds.